One little monkey climbs a tree, spots two bananas, yippee yippee. He peels one fast and munches away. Counting bananas is fun today. Three little monkeys swing up high. They see four bananas, oh my, oh my. They grab and share, then count real slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, way to go. Five little monkeys jump around. 6 big bananas on the ground. They pick them up and count again. Let's count together, 1 to 10. Clap and count. 3, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, so sweet. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, what a treat. Monkeys love to count and play. Counting fun every day. 7 little monkeys start to cheer. 8 yellow bananas are finally here. They take a bite and start